Oh, I saw your question on the discussion board. You want to find the area that's shaded under standard normal curve. Could use table or calculator. I'm going to use StatCrunch. If you come in StatCrunch, click on Stat Calculators, pick off the normal calculator. Since it's standard normal curve, you don't put in 0 for the mean, and standard deviation is 1. Now they want the area to the right when the z-score is 1.38. So you need to make sure this is greater than, type in 1.38, and they want this area shaded in red. You click compute and you see it gives you that area there, which you'll find here, 0.0838. They round it to 4 places. So you can use StatCrunch, real nice. It's available all the time. Or you can use graphing calculator, or you can use this table here. I kind of prefer technology. I like the normal calculator StatCrunch real well. Hope this helps.